Want to know how to start coding with zero experience using Cloud? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it is possible to learn from zero experience and get to a smart amount of level just by using a chatbot like Cloud, which should help you in coding significantly. So in this video, I'm going to just give you some prompt, and a single prompt can really help you get really far away in order to learn a language. So let's get right into it. The first things first is simply head towards Claude AI, and on the top left side you should be seeing new chat, just simply like that. This will create a new chat right here. I'll just simply paste this prompt. Teach me coding from absolute beginner level. Assume I have zero experience. The requirements are: start from the fundamentals, explain the concepts, give me exercises after each topic, quiz me occasionally, increase difficulty gradually, act like a patient coding a teacher. So you can just choose any language that you want, C#, C++, C, or anything that you want, and then hit enter. Now, once you have hit enter, as you can see right here, it should already start working for you. So it should start giving you a requested output from the prompt. It might take a while, but it should give you a proper answer that you can follow up later and learn. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.